Volkswagen suspensions don't fail because they're poorly engineered, they fail because most owners unknowingly abuse them every single day. If you've owned a Volkswagen long enough, you've probably heard about worn control arm bushings, clunking noises, uneven tire wear, or shaky steering. Most people assume it's just how Volkswagens are built. That assumption is wrong. There is one habit that quietly destroys VW suspension systems faster than anything else, and almost every owner does it without realizing the damage. The biggest mistake Volkswagen owners make is braking hard over bumps, potholes, and uneven roads. Modern VW suspensions use tight-tolerance rubber bushings designed for precise handling. When you brake aggressively over rough surfaces, the suspension is forced to absorb braking force and impact force at the same time. This twists and tears the bushings internally. You don't hear it immediately, you don't feel it right away, but inside those bushings the rubber begins separating from the metal sleeves. Once that happens, the suspension will never feel tight again. The correct habit is simple. Release the brake before hitting bumps, slow down early, let off the brake just before the uneven surface, and allow the suspension to absorb the impact naturally. This one change can double or even triple bushing life. Another suspension killer is turning the steering wheel while stationary. Volkswagen steering geometry places extra load on control arms and tie rods when the car isn't rolling. Dry steering forces rubber components to twist instead of glide. Over time, this leads to premature cracking and looseness. Always allow the car to roll slightly before turning the wheel. It dramatically reduces stress across the entire front suspension. Speed bumps are another major issue. Many VW owners hit them too fast, assuming the suspension can handle it. While the springs and dampers survive, the mounts and bushings take a beating. These parts are designed to absorb controlled motion, not sudden compression. Tire pressure also plays a massive role. Overinflated tires transfer road shock directly into suspension components. Underinflated tires allow excessive movement, forcing bushings to overwork. Keeping tires at factory-recommended pressure is one of the cheapest suspension protection strategies available. Another mistake is ignoring wheel alignment after minor impacts. Even a small pothole hit can, knock alignment out slightly. Misalignment causes suspension components to kind of fight each other constantly, which accelerates wear on ball joints, bushings, and tires. Volkswagen suspensions are extremely sensitive to alignment. A proper alignment after tire replacement or any kind of road impact can actually add years to component life. Many owners also replace worn suspension parts incorrectly. Replacing only one worn bushing or arm instead of the full set creates uneven load distribution. New parts end up taking extra stress while old parts flex excessively, and that just leads to early failure. Suspension components work as a system. Balanced replacement always lasts longer than piecemeal repairs. Driving style matters more than mileage. A gently driven Volkswagen with higher miles often has a tighter suspension than a low-mileage car driven aggressively on rough roads. Smooth inputs preserve components far better than constant hard braking and sharp steering. Cold weather is another factor most people ignore. Rubber bushings stiffen in low temperatures. Aggressive driving before the suspension warms up causes micro tears inside the rubber. Drive gently for the first few minutes to let everything reach operating flexibility. So, one final mistake is, honestly, just ignoring those early warning signs. Small clunks, vague steering, or even uneven tire wear. These things just aren't normal. They're signals that stress is building up somewhere. If you catch suspension wear early, you can actually prevent secondary damage to your struts, tires, and steering components. Here's the truth, most mechanics won't explain clearly. Volkswagen suspensions are engineered for precision, not abuse. Treat them correctly, and they last far longer than their reputation suggests. Change this one driving habit, combine it with smooth inputs and proper alignment, and your Volkswagen suspension can last well beyond what most owners experience. If you want your VW to drive tight, smooth, and quiet for years, these details matter. Subscribe to Gear Specs for real car knowledge that saves you from unnecessary repairs and keeps your vehicle driving like it should.